What's the meaning of batchmate? Batchmate. Batchmate.
Batchmate. Batchmate. The term batchmate refers to people who are in the same group or cohort, typically in an educational or training setting. For example, students who begin their studies at the same time and complete their courses together can be considered batchmates. The word is often used in Indian English, particularly in the context of college or university. It suggests a sense of camaraderie and shared experience that can bond people together, even if they have varying levels of personal connection. In some cases, batchmates may remain in touch for years after their initial association, forging lifelong friendships.